Problem 10. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. 17th term 10th term కంటే 7 ఎక్కువ ఉంది. More than 7 exceeds. అయితే కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ D ఏంటో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ D. Okay, see. Given 17th term is nothing but A17 of an AP exceeds 10th term by 7. 7 ఎక్కువ ఉంది. So A17 value how much? A plus 16D. A17 equals to A plus 16D. A10 equals to A plus 9D plus 7. A plus 9D plus 7. So A get cancelled. 16D equals to 9D plus 7. 16D equals to 9D plus 7. So 16D, 9D transpose left side minus 9D equals to 7. 16D minus 9D is 7D. 7D equals to 7. So D equals to 7. This 7 transpose right side divided by 7. So 7 how many times? 1 time. So D equals to 1. So the final answer is common difference is 1. Common difference D is 1.